In the United States, the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. Yet many people do not fully understand how this protection applies during everyday interactions with law enforcement, which often leads to illegal searches that go unnoticed or unchallenged. Because while police officers do have authority to conduct searches under specific legal conditions, that authority is not unlimited and must be supported by clear legal justification, and in most situations, officers must either have a valid search warrant, voluntary consent, or a legally recognized exception such as probable cause combined with exigent circumstances. And without one of these elements, a search becomes unconstitutional regardless of how routine or casual the interaction may appear. And one of the most misunderstood aspects of search law is consent, because many individuals unknowingly give permission simply by complying or remaining silent, even though consent must be freely and clearly given and can also be withdrawn at any time. And it is important to understand that refusing consent does not imply guilt and cannot legally be used as justification for a search. And another common issue arises during traffic stops, where officers may search a vehicle only if they have probable cause to believe it contains evidence of a crime, or if consent is granted, or under limited exceptions such as a lawful arrest. And without these conditions, extending a stop to conduct a search violates constitutional protections. And while officers may use professional language or suggest that a search is standard procedure, the law requires more than convenience or curiosity to override privacy rights. And understanding these boundaries is essential because illegal searches can result in unlawfully obtained evidence, which may later be suppressed in court, reinforcing why constitutional safeguards exist not to obstruct policing, but to ensure fairness, accountability, and public trust. And for citizens, the most effective approach during any encounter is to remain calm, respectful, and informed, clearly stating whether consent is given or withheld without escalating the situation, because knowing your rights allows you to protect your privacy while still maintaining lawful cooperation. And the broader purpose of understanding illegal searches is not confrontation, but education, ensuring that both citizens and law enforcement operate within constitutional limits that preserve individual freedoms and uphold the principles of justice in a democratic society.